Mari machoke laini maro marote machok ma en ariade ka uchiel nono machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng Awuor. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto owacho ni oseketo okenge madhi golo liet ma bengi madongo ma pachoka kadhe gino makoro miye nyadhi ni odhi tieko chutho achiedh nade mokwako uchumi ma Kenya. Omedo jiwo kembe matiyo e pachoka mondo med gerore kosingonegi lwasi makare mar tich. Jafwambo marwa Linet Undi ni kod ler mathoth ewi romo mar dhialo higni 2 mag kembe mag ji giwegi e pachoka.
I am very confident about the future, that even companies that could not remit, dividends to foreigners, and they had to wait for months to be able to do that, that challenge has now been removed, sorted out, because we have consistently worked with the private sector to identify areas of collaboration and partnership that would help to resolve the challenges that face our economy.
Jatend piny William Ruto owacho ni riwruok margi gi riwruok mar KEPSA osenyuolo lemo kamoting'o keto chenro maloso mwandu mosebero chalo chumi mar Kenya. Ochwalo kwayo makende ne KEPSA mondo ng'ad omenda mawinjre gi chul usuru kaponi KRA okawo kinde malach kapok ochulo gigopgi.
Our collaboration has already yielded significant outcomes, including the introduction of incentives for manufacturing, e-mobility, and special economic zones. These measures, alongside streamlined tax refund mechanisms, have boosted investor confidence and enhanced Kenya's global competitiveness. If KRA owes your business and in 6 months they are unable to pay you, the next time you're supposed to pay KRA, deduct the money that they are supposed to pay you before you pay your taxes.
Kamano bende Ruto yango ni kambi makayo stima pachoka e Kenya Power osebedo ka ilolal mudhuru kuom kinde malach kata kamano igani oyudo ohala maromo bilion 36.
And I pull back government influence from Kenya Power. Look at the transformation we've had. This year, Kenya Power, that has made losses forever, made a profit of 36 billion this year. That's what it is. That's what the private sector, the difference the private sector can make.
Osingo ne joket mwandu madwaro timo ohala e migawo mar teko pachoka e kendo ni idhi chwalnegi kony kaka chulo omenda mar kunyo yawo kinde ma gitimo gedo mar kar dak mar mach.
And I want to invite again the private sector, because now we have a revenue stream. You can invest in water, and we can pay you for the construction of a dam, because we have now a revenue stream. So these are some of the areas we are building on sustainability to make sure that we can achieve the aspirations that we have in a sustainable way by working together in that manner.
Jotelo mamoko mane otene owacho ni ochumi mar Kenya osegoyo okang' kaluwore kod kony ma giyudo kowuok kuom riwruok mar KEPSA makoro osemiyo jogo matimo ohala pachoka oyudo lwasi maber mar tich.
Companies across Kenya and beyond find it a reliable partner with a proven track record in helping them achieve their growth ambitions. Building on this success, KEPSA's overarching goal in the future is to improve Kenya's global competitiveness by continuously improving the business environment.
In 20 years, you have really made a huge contribution to the development of our country, and especially economic growth. As a ministry, Your Excellency, we have had a very close engagement with KEPSA, and KEPSA have been very responsible for the Finance Act of 2023, where a number of issues that they had raised were included, including the Finance Bill of 2024.
Linet Undi, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.